Hi everyone, today I'm here again with a very beautiful poem by Pablo Neruda, that is Keeping Quiet. So this poem, as the name suggests, keeping quiet. You must have heard these words in your life many times. Such words are used mostly by the teacher in the class. Students, silent, pin drop silence, don't make a noise, keep quiet. And sometimes when you are with your family and small kids, they are busy with their own thoughts, they are playing, they are shouting, and then parents, they are after them. Keep quiet, keep silent, calm down. See, these words are used everywhere. But here, this poet, Pablo Neruda, when he says keeping quiet, it is something different. In this poem, this poet wants to highlight something very deep, a concept that we need to understand. We have to reach to the subtle level. Here, he wants to inform us the necessity of quiet introspection and also creating a feeling of understanding, a mutual understanding among human beings. And here he begins with this poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. These are the beginning lines of this poem. The poet wants us to remain still till he counts 12. Why? Later on, when we study this poem, there are so many examples that are given in the poem where the poet wants us to have stillness and silence in our life. Because if we have this stillness and silence in our life, then we can get rid of sadness of our life. He says that such experience will be of exotic moment, where there are no rustle bustle, no rush, no engines, no machines. The poet wants that everything should have a pause. Why a pause? He says, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second, and then no movements of our arms. These examples tell us that the poet wants us to just stop, to just calm down, to have the state of stillness, silence, so that we can introspect ourselves. And in this poem, again, he further explains, he gives examples like of that fisherman. He wants that the fisherman should not harm the whales anymore. And the person who is collecting salt, he should take care of his hurt hands. Plus, there are so many wars going on these days. Wars against environment, wars with poisonous gases, wars with armed forces. Because in a way we can see that whenever we have war, that means so many efforts are there, the entire army is involved, and there are so many weapons which are used in the war. But then what is the result? There is victory, but victory of no use because there are no survivors. So what is the need of that? The poet wants that what we should do? We should calm ourselves. We should wear our best dresses and go for a walk with our brothers and enjoy the shade of the trees. No activity. And when he ends the poem, he highlighted another thing, that a person should not misunderstood this stillness. Like it is not that something total inactivity. No. We need to introspect ourselves, and for that introspection, for that self-analysis, we need to reach the state of calmness, the state of stillness. Silence is required. Although life is all about going on, we all think that life is just moving in forward direction. No, we need to rest for a moment so that we can analyze our thoughts, we can analyze our hidden heart, that what all is there, and for that silence is must. And in the end of the poem, he gives another example of the earth. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and still, when one thinks that there is no life, but still later on what is observed, that something is alive. You see earth very calm, very quiet, but still this earth consists of something living. And then in the end he says, now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Again the same notion of the thought. In the poem you can see there are no particular stanzas, or the lengths of the stanzas are different in different stanzas. No rhyme scheme is there, but there is a change in thought in each stanza. From the beginning till the end, the poet wants us to be quiet. Keeping quiet is highlighted so that we can understand the depth which is there in each of us. Just going all around, just busy with our activities, no matter what. But we need to take out some time for us. And today, it is the need of the hour. Although we people are occupied with so many things, we have so much to do, but we need to take out some time for us so that we can get a connection with the other person. To have mutual understanding, we need to understand this thing and we need to devote some time for ourselves, and for that we need to self-analyze and introspect so that we can have a good bonding with the people all around us. So this is all for this session. Thank you so much. Again, please like, comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.